Hello children, welcome to VIN school. So today we have come up with a new poem, Evening. So chapter 5, Evening poem. Open page number 36 in your textbook children. So listen to the video and follow it. So let's start the poem. Evening. The day is past. The sun is set and the white stars are in the sky. While the long grass with dew is wet and through the air the bats now fly. The lambs have now lain down to sleep. The birds have long since sought their nests. The air is still and dark and deep. On the hillside the old wood rests. Yet of the dark I have no fear, but feel as safe as when it's light. For I know God is with me there, and He will guard me through the night. He holds all things in His right hand, the rich, the poor, the great, the small, when we sleep or sit or stand. He is with us, for He loves us all. Thomas Miller. So children, Thomas Miller is a famous poet and he is a novelist of modern English literature. So he has written over 40 volumes, and Evening, whatever we are studying today, the poem Evening is one of his inspiring poem. Okay, so now the poet is sketching a picture of the fall of the evening. Okay, so now the poet says that the day is over, the day is past, the sun is set, the shining stars have now come into sight in the evening sky. Means now we can see the shining stars, the white stars in the sky, and there is a dew on the grass. There is a dew on the grass. There is a water droplets on the grass, and the night is air is now taken by the bats. So everywhere we can see the bats flying, and the birds went to their nest, and birds have gone to sleep to their home. That is, animals and the birds have went to their home to sleep, and the darkness is filling whole atmosphere. So the whole atmosphere is dark, that is deep dark. And now the poet is not at all afraid of the dark. The poet is saying that so it's evening and it is a deep dark, all the animals are sleeping, so all the atmosphere is filled with the darkness, but still I am not afraid because he remembers God all the time, because he is going to remember the God all the time, and the God is with him while he sleeps. Okay, and he thinks that the God will protect him because he prayed to God, and God loves all his creatures. So that is, they might be rich or they might be poor or they might be the great and the small. God loves everyone, and always God is with us, and we must learn to love one another and remove the hatred from this world. Children, the poet is saying that everybody should believe in God, everybody should learn to love one another as the God will do, because God loves each one of us, isn't it? The same way, even we must learn to love one another and remove the hatredness from this world. So only then there will be peace and love everywhere. Only at that time when everybody removes the hatredness, so only then there will be peace and love everywhere. This is what all about the poem Evening, children. So read the poem, practice the difficult words in your notebook, children. All the keywords, practice it in the notebook.